country currently facing a water crisis is Pakistan. The water shortage there is an added challenge to an already fuel and energy-starved economy. Daniel Khan takes a closer look.
Pakistan's water story is a story of treachery and betrayal. It began in 1960 when Pakistan's Field Marshal Ayub Khan surrendered Pakistan's jugular vein to India in a deal complicit with the World Bank. Pakistan lost 3 of its principal rivers located in the upper Himalayas, jealously guarded by Indian troops. The rivers Jhelum, Ravi and Sutlej, flowing through Indian-occupied Kashmir, are now running dry. Pakistan could become another Sahara, extinguishing all signs of life. Pakistan's fabled irrigation network, established by its colonial rulers, is now in shambles. Known as the breadbasket of the subcontinent, in days gone by, Pakistan now has a begging bowl seeking millions of tons of wheat and other food items from foreign countries every year.
Shortage has been down to very critical levels, leading towards famine and drought. The federal government and the provincial governments have declared an emergency time and time again and announced shortages, but not serious action has not been taken.
With the challenge of climate change and global warming looming dangerously close, the rapidly increasing population in Pakistan is already experiencing drought conditions and critical water shortages in cities with a steady downfall in agricultural output. Meanwhile, crop-growing areas in all the provinces are endangered on account of water scarcity. The planners are unable to cope with the problem.
So the government needs to plan more dams for sure, and that needs to be done on a war footing, because these reservoirs are the only things that can actually feed water to the agricultural lands of Pakistan. Without these, we will be losing a huge chunk of our economy. So it's going to be disastrous if we don't have any further plans for these.
Pakistan is heading towards the worst water shortage in the next couple of years due to insufficient water management practices and storage capacity. India has diverted Pakistani water and is building more dams which will further worsen the water situation in Pakistan. According to estimates of the federal government, the agriculture sector would suffer a loss of about 90 billion rupees as a result of drought. Since agriculture has remained a major source of shouldering the already crippled economy, it has a vital role to play, particularly in terms of food security and employment of the ever-escalating population of the country. Daniel Khan, CCTV, Islamabad.